Hey there. In this video, I shall explain you how to use Bing Chat. Now, before we delve into that, I have found Bing's chat feature to be highly efficient for web browsing. Unlike traditional search engines that rely on keywords, Bing Chat allows you to have interactive conversations with search engine. It not only keeps track of your searches but also engages in a dynamic dialogue as you explore further inquiries. This feature is particularly valuable for retrieving global data and numeric information from the World Wide Web. So, go to bing.com and here you'll see a little icon, chat. So, click on that. So they say it as Bing is your AI-powered co-pilot for the web. I think I'm really liking this feature. I've been using this lately, and I find it very, very interesting. And there are different conversation styles that you can choose. Generally, go for more precise when I'm looking at the data retrieval, like statistics and all. So let us find some interesting information. So I'm typing in find me statistics about road safety for the Indian context. So let's see submit. So it is taking time to generate the responses. So here you go. It is also giving us feedback in terms of searching what information. So these are the statistics that it has retrieved from various websites, and you can actually see the website links that it has searched and giving us the information about. So you can notice that the data here is very crisp and very to the point, and it actually highlights and enlightens us in terms of the numbers. For example, approximately 328 lives are lost daily, which could have been prevented with timely rescue and intervention. So beautiful wealth of information, and not only that, it gives us a couple of hints in terms of what further information we can actually get. So, for example, what are some common causes for road accidents in India? We can further explore. So, see how beautifully it is giving us the information like, okay, human error, that is the first most common cause for road accident, extreme weather, mechanical failures, overspeeding, drunk driving, lack of lane discipline, jumping the red light, and use of mobile phone while driving. So these are the various insights that you can gain through the AI powered search. Okay, so go ahead and experiment and retrieve interesting information to help you proceed with your design thinking process.